Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Tag Manager for tracking strategy step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Google Tag Manager into the search bar and press enter. Click on the first result that leads you to the Google Tag Manager website. On the top right corner of the page, locate the sign in button and click on it. You will be directed to a new page prompting you to enter your Google account email address. Type in your email address associated with your Google account. Click the Next button to proceed. Next, enter your account password in the provided field. Click the Next button again to log in. Once logged in, you may be taken to the Google Tag Manager dashboard. If you have multiple accounts, select the appropriate account you want to work with. If you haven't created an account yet, click on Create Account to get started. Follow the prompts to set up a new Google Tag Manager account. Once your account is selected or created, you will see the main workspace. Here, you can begin implementing your tracking strategy. Explore the different features available to set up tags, triggers, and variables. Always remember to publish your changes after making updates to ensure they go live. You are now ready to manage your tracking strategies effectively using Google Tag Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.